Dyson's air purifying headphones. I saw these all over Twitter. People were like, is it real? Is it not real? This is one of those things, Will, where it's hard to even tell if it's a legit approach at a product or if it really is meant to just get people talking, get like brand awareness type of thing, because it's hard to ignore. This is looking like some kind of Balenciaga ad right now.
It's a bit sexually deviant.
Easy. Jeez, brother. The company's first audio product promises to eliminate both unwanted noise and unwanted air particles. Look, man, I'm whatever. Like,
why not? You know,
people are wearing things on their face and chatting in public, and I don't know. Are we in the future yet? Are we there yet? I don't know. Earlier this year, Dyson revealed its first audio product, pair of headphones that promised to not only block noise, but unwanted airborne particles as well, thanks to built-in filtration system and mask. The company revealed more details on the Dyson Zone, including when you'll be able to buy a pair and how much having a breath of fresh air will cost you. Oh, they said how much it will cost me?
Yeah.
Oh, $949. Some fresh air.
So, I mean, that makes it a bit more real.
It does?
It has a price?
I guess. I don't know how real it's going to be for the average person, Will, at $949.
That could be you.
Listen, I'll easily check it out because it's wild and crazy.
They look like headphones.
Dyson's own headphones also fall into that category, unorthodox design, integrating the smallest 10,000 RPM electric motors the company's ever developed into each ear cup, letting the air purifier on the front draw air through dual layer filters to remove particles like pollen, bacteria, and dust, plus gases like nitrogen. I mean, I guess if you ever found yourself in some post-apocalyptic type of airborne warfare with particles and viruses and however people are fighting each other in the future.
Although this doesn't really seem like it's suction to your face, you know?
Are you saying it's bogus?
And your eyes are unprotected.
It says pollen, bacteria, dust, gases. It's a gas mask.
Okay.
However, as Dyson has pointed out before, the Zone headphones don't create a perfect seal and are not a solution for minimizing the risk of COVID-19 exposure.
There it is. Oh, look at this.
Well, this is when you take the front piece off, I guess.
Yeah. They look a bit chonky, but not bad.
I don't know. That is weird. They're like, yeah, it's not really a substitute. It's not really going to block any type of virus from getting in there. Mm-hmm. It's just going to sort of purify a little bit. And then think about battery life. That's another great consideration. Got these fans blowing.
Yeah. So many RPMs right beside your
20
ear.
minutes of battery life. And they're not going to be lightweight either, which is another problem I'm going to have because I like to wear around 350 grams on my head at most.
Right.
And these are almost 600 grams. And AirPods Max, these are heavier than the XM5s from Sony and AirPod Max combined.
Wow.
What? Dyson Zone is heavier than both combined. Oh, it's 670 grams. Never mind 595. It's 670 grams. And then even if you take the front mask off, it's still 595 because you're carrying around these fan units that you're not even using, the suction units.
Right.
You're not even using when you have the front piece removed. This is very ambitious. I would love to take a look at this, but it is truly hard to believe that it's a real thing. Mm. Who knows? Some people want the future faster than others.
Sure.
And they're willing to carry 700 grams on their head in order to get there.
The unboxing experience might be good. I would say that.
Hey, man, we'll take a crack.